The decision should be based on what your spending patterns are and what your intent is for using that credit card. Hopefully the intent is not to have a carrying balance. If it is, then you have to revisit your budget and make sure you're not overspending. But if the goal is to pay off your credit card every month, which I hope it is, then the factors you should look at are, am I interested more in airline points because I like to travel? Am I interested in cash back because I like to have that cash back in my account? Is my interest in some sort of other rewards programs, whether it's a hotel reward program? Based on the answers to those questions and what your goals are, then you should find a credit card that meets that. There are a lot of credit cards that offer 0 annual fees, but they don't have any rewards programs. Or they might have rewards programs that are not in line with what your goals are. And there's some credit card programs out there that have annual fees, and just because it has an annual fee doesn't necessarily mean it's bad, as long as, again, it meets what your rewards program goals are.